Hey guys, welcome to this video. Do you not have enough clients? My name is Nancy Joseph and I am a business coach. I am the founder of the Lipstick Boss Academy for female entrepreneurs that want to be their own boss. And today, let's talk about the 3 main reasons why you might not have enough clients. First one being you're too cheap. The second one is you're probably not branding your specialty. The third reason is you're probably treating your business like a hobby. So how do we fix this? So number 1, if you're too cheap, I want you to charge what you're worth. Find your value. You either solve problems for people, you have an amazing product that helps people. Find your value, stick to it. Don't discount yourself. Don't Groupon and coupon and all that stuff. Charge what you're worth. And price yourself for profit. The second one is that you're probably not marketing yourself to your strengths. Okay, whatever your superpower is, whatever your specialty is. Now, specialists get paid more, and they're more desirable. So find what your specialty is, and I want you to market that. Brand yourself as the specialist that you are. And the third reason is because we're probably not believing that our business can pay our bills, because what we do comes so easy to us and we don't really believe that people will pay us for what we do. So I want you to change your mind, shift your mind, make a mind shift here and realize that it's on purpose that you have these passions and that you have this God-given talent. And, you know, God wants you to go out there and use these talents, these gifts, and to help people. And with your service, with your product. And so charge what you're worth, find your specialty, shift your mindset, and know that what you are doing, just because it comes easy, doesn't matter. It's because you were meant to do this. And with those 3 things, make those 3 changes, you're going to notice that you're going to have more clients. So that's a quick training for you today. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. If you're watching the replay, thank you so much. Put in the comments below where you're watching from. I would love that. And also in the comments below, there is resources for you. There are some videos, some tutorials, some training, some coaching, and some inspiration. I want to encourage you to go out there and just do what you were created to do. Thanks, guys. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.